welcome to Sandy Bay. I'm Chris Inger, this is Sophia Fadillo, and we're with Roatan Real Estate. And today we're in a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Sandy Bay.
So Chris, where are we?
We are in a great community in Topridge or Wesley Heights. And it's a beautiful residential neighborhood. And as you can see, we've got nothing but tropical gardens. It's really lovely.
And I even see an ocean view.
There is an ocean view here, and we're gonna really take advantage of that upstairs.
So here we are at MLS 20-85. We're listed at $325, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and we're going to show it to you right now.
Wonderful. So down here we have a beautiful garden space, of course, but we also have a few other options to take a look at, which is our 3rd bedroom down here.
Oh, so this is a great area for guests.
Absolutely. And then you have actually what used to be the laundry room in here, but it could easily be converted into a bathroom and maybe even a little kitchenette if you wanted some rental space.
I think there's definitely space here for an extra apartment if you want it.
Absolutely. Maybe a mother-in-law or a nanny or maybe just a long-term renter.
Exactly.
So many options. And this house actually has a nice 3-chamber sewage system right here, and that they've actually made a nice little seating area around it as well.
Great.
All right, should we go take a look upstairs?
Yes, let's. Home.
Absolutely. I would love to live here. Got this beautiful kitchen, really made for entertaining too.
There's lots of space, yes.
Got nice hardwoods here, beautiful appliances, GE brand, which is great.
So imported appliances, wow.
With a nice gas, which is great. And a dishwasher, they're so rare.
That is very rare here on the island.
And they actually have a filtration system for the water here. So it's actually a 3-stage water filtration. Are you familiar with those?
Yeah, so it has 3 different filters, and then at the end it does a UV filtration. So it's great for drinking, it's totally safe, and that's not something that every home here in Roatan has.
No, that's fantastic. Wow. Size bed, nice vaulted ceilings.
And are these built-in closets?
There are.
Very nice. Looks like somebody's got them filled a little.
They are a little stuffed.
And then you have your own access to the wonderful ocean view patio.
Absolutely. And screened in. It's a fully screened in patio, so you can enjoy this all year round.
This is a great addition. I really like to have my screens, my porch is screened in.
Yeah, definitely. And I bet you can even see the sunset. Maybe later we'll stay around.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's go back into the living room and have a quick look.
Wow. Take in this space. It's a large, large space.
These are very nice high vaulted ceilings.
Really nice. It's very nicely done. And it really gets in the airflow.
There's a great cross breeze, and with these ceiling fans, you don't even need AC.
No, but they do have 3 ACs, just so we're clear. We do have air conditioning in the living room and both of the master bedrooms.
So those are the mini splits here that we have on the island, right?
Yes, they're the most energy efficient.
And it's great because then you're only pulling the area that you're in.
Exactly. Let's take a look at that master.
Perfect, let's go.
Again, you have a really nice, good, spacious bedroom. You've got a king-size bed. You also have, of course, the beautiful closets right here, and the ensuite bath.
And this has a very island feel to it.
It really does.
Let's take a peek at that bathroom.
That's a huge bathroom. Double sink vanity. One of the largest walk-in showers I've ever seen. Beautifully done. And all nice hardwoods, built-in storage. It's a great space.
This is a great sized bathroom.
Yeah. sure.
Some great reads. I'm sure that this hammock is well used.
I'm sure. And look at this, we've got a great little bar for some entertaining.
Are we going to have some sunset drinks, Chris?
I think we should have some cocktails. Yes,
This
definitely.
is a really nice bar.
Really great space. So as you can see, you've really pulled out the living area outside.
This is a great indoor and outdoor living space.
Absolutely. And again, it's got ceiling fans all the way through. So this home is really for full-time living.
And some great lighting. This is a place that you can chill with your husband, hang out with your friends.
Yes.
This is great.
Great entertaining space. And of course, look at these beautiful flowers, all from the garden.
Wow.
You've done a really nice job.
This is a very, very nice home. So once again, we're here in Top Ridge, which is located in Sandy Bay. This is MLS 20-85, and we're listed here at $325.
And you know, in this neighborhood, just so you're kind of aware of where we are on the island, we're right next door to Lawson Rock, and we're about 8 minutes to West End, and probably about another 8 or 10 minutes to Coxon Hole, where the airport is, and where the grocery and the banking, everything is. So it's really nicely located.
So lots of residential neighborhoods along the way. So, you know, your friends, I'm sure, are going to be close by. And then if you want to go out for dinner or drinks or a
You're
little
very
bit of
close.
dancing, there's lots of options.
Yeah, and the nearest beach is about, where would you say?
I would say about 10 to 15 minutes. West Bay Beach is about 15 minutes from here, so
Perfect.
that's pretty good.
That is very good, and we can all get to Sundowners, and that takes about 8 minutes, I've been told.
That's not bad.
That's
That's not
not bad.
bad.
And then just so we know, if anybody's interested and maybe they wanted to expand or add an addition to the house or maybe a pool, there's a half-acre lot right across the way for $50,000.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, I mean, then you could clear some trees and even expand that view even more, I bet.
That's where I would put a mother-in-law suite.
Absolutely, across the street is perfect. All right, well, thanks so much, you guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.